What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Pepe 2.0. Pepe 2.0 has been crushing it, man. It came down to that $10 million market cap range, and then all of a sudden started to bounce from there and made a nice move to the upside. The community is still crushing it, you know, high risk, high reward play. But, you know, the community is crushing it. A lot of people still talking about it, still making a ton of waves. We're going to check it out. We're going to dive into it like we always do, guys. If you hold a project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Not a financial advisor, like I said. Like I say in every video, none of this is financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project, guys. And yeah, we're going to dive right in. So last time I checked out the project, when was this? 5 days ago I checked it out, and you know, normally these projects kind of like die off. I was like, I'll check it out, see what it's all about, because I saw people mentioning it in the comment section. And yes, pretty much if you missed Pepe, here's Pepe 2.0, man. Join the Pepe 2.0 revolution and meme your way to the future of finance. It was retracing back down, came back down to around, you know, the $10 million market cap range, and then boom, made a nice 4x move to the upside, guys. Like, pretty nice stuff. Yeah, 4 to 5x move to the upside from this bottom range right here, man. This is why they always say buy the dip. Right? They had people that were buying Pepe 2.0 up here in these ranges, right? These ranges. But the people that bought the dip, it was like, you know, now is the time. Everybody's flooding in this range right here. I could tell you for a fact, right? In this range right here, I could tell you for a fact, everybody was flooding the project. It was like, this project is dead. It's over. It's not gonna, ever come back. That's the end of Pepe 2.0. But they had people that were buying down here. And guess what? They got rewarded for that, man. Look at this nice move, man. They got rewarded for that. Now, since they got like a 4 to 5x, a lot of them could just take their initial investment. If they bought in this, anywhere in this range, they could take that initial investment and just watch what happens to that moon bag, man. Let the moon bag ride to infinity, right? Or to the dumps. It doesn't matter. You protected your capital, right? But yeah, like what I see from Pepe 2.0 as far as like the community and everything. Let me check out let me see, Telegram. Let me check the Telegram group. Like, the Telegram is super active, 12k members, and it's like consistently going, man. Look at this. Like, they're still super active. It's still a super strong community. Ton of people still engaged in it. It's become its own thing. I think it started off like, it didn't start off with much people expecting much from it, but then it became its own thing, man, and it has formed such a very strong community, and that's what you look out for, man. Like, it's absolutely crazy to see, man. Let's see if we could see any Pepe 2.0 tweets. That I know there's probably gonna be a bunch of spam. You know, about fake eardrops. Oh man, Twitter gotta get that fixed, man. They really do. Of course, there's gonna be a bunch of spam. From Your Pop, Pepe 2.0 volume is picking up. Shout out to Your Pop, man. Your Pop probably bought that dip. Is up in profits right now. This is why they say, guys, buy the fear, buy the dip, guys. Pepe 2.0 strength in numbers, right? Pepe 2.0 just surpassed Floki by 24-hour trade volume. Do your own research. This could be the entry of a lifetime. I could be right, I could be wrong. And that's the thing, like, none of us as influencers in the space know exactly where a project will go. We're just making educated guesses from what we see, right? When we're looking at meme coins, when we're looking at meme coins, we're looking at engagement, community, how much people are talking about it, a lot of things, man. Look at this right here. Just when I thought the 2.0 meta was dead, besides Pepe 2.0, there's been some cookers which one has been ripping. Pepe 2.0 leading the way for that, man. From KuCoin, heads up Pepe 2 holders, we got an exclusive mission for you. Be proud of our exclusive deposit campaign and back the listing of Pepe 2. This was today? This was 12:55 a.m. So Pepe 2 getting that KuCoin listing. What? I tell you, man, it's all about the community of these projects, man. Pepe 2.0 hit all-time high this morning. I have been watching Pepe 2.0 closely. It literally looks like it's cooking a rocket of all time. It had its sleep for a while, and now it's in a new all-time high. This could print a lot, just like Baby Doge did back in the day. I have the similar feeling here. KuCoin though. Deposit campaign. Look at this right here. Oh my gosh. KuCoin listed for Pepe 2. You know how many altcoins that are got use case, and you know a lot of people are bullish on to this day can't get a KuCoin listing. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you guys, people in the crypto space love meme coins. It's all about community. It's how much people are making noise about the project that really sends a project, man. If Pepe 2.0 repeats this pattern Pepe did, I'm calling insider trading. I will long the crap out of this project. Easy money. Like honestly, right? If it goes back to Pepe's, let's compare market cap right now. If it goes to Pepe's all-time high, alright, that's gonna be some nice X's, man. You know, let's see. Just look at the first thing to be compared. Most compared. Number 5 most compared. Pepe and Doge. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Let's pull it up right quick. Oh my gosh, that's so hilarious. Pepe 2, and then let's type in Pepe. Let's compare. So the current market cap is at 18x. Right, that's some nice gains, man. $1,000 to $18,000, $100 to $1,800. I'd take that. And all-time high is 46x, 46.8x, guys. $1,000 to 46,800, and $100 to $4,684. Nice gains, man, in my opinion. 500 times 18, that's 9k. It goes to Pepe's current market cap, right? That's 9k if you got 500 invested. It goes to Pepe's all-time high from here. That's 23k, man. That's some nice gains, man. You get, guys, this is the thing. When it comes to meme coins, I don't ever think of them, well, only a few, right? Only a couple I look at as long term, right? But sometimes they got ones that really hold up, and you know, you just got to protect your capital. I've obviously always take profits, and then guess what you do with those profits? You trade more. It could be altcoins, meme coins. You trade more with the profits that you take, right? But yeah, that upside is pretty nice in my opinion for Pepe 2.0. We'll see what happens, what unfolds for it, guys. Excuse me, it's making a retrace right now, so we'll see what happens. Is this gonna be like a retrace, and then all of a sudden it bounces from these levels, like retrace back down, shake people out, just like it did back here, just like it did back there, retrace, shake people out, and then all of a sudden bounce and move up again? That could potentially happen. If you hold Pepe 2.0, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Please support these videos, blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to at least 10,000 views. Also, personally recommend joining my crypto elite tier on Patreon, where I give you guys my buy alerts, sell alerts, and access to my private Discord. Recently checked out Pulse Chain. They got some bangers on Pulse Chain. I already got a couple of projects that gave me a 2x on Pulse Chain, and it looks like they're gonna keep going. So we'll see what happens with that, guys. Only access through the Patreon though. So yeah, if you're interested, link in the description. Pepe 2 fam, send it to the moon, man. Send it to the moon, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.